The human brain is an incredibly complex organ, responsible for controlling all the functions of the body. It contains approximately 86 billion neurons, which are specialized cells that transmit information throughout the body. Messages from the brain travel along nerves at speeds of up to 200 miles per hour, 322 km. This rapid communication allows us to react quickly to stimuli, such as pulling our hand away from a hot surface. The human body has over 600 muscles, which work together to enable movement and maintain posture. The gluteus maximus, located in the buttocks, is the largest muscle in the body. It plays a key role in movements such as climbing stairs and standing up from a sitting position. Muscles are made up of fibers that contract and relax, allowing us to perform a wide range of physical activities. The human skeleton is made up of 206 bones, which provide structure and support for the body. The largest bone is the femur, or thigh bone, which can support up to 30 times the weight of a person's body. This strength is crucial for activities such as walking, running, and jumping. In contrast, the smallest bone is the stapes, located in the middle ear, which is involved in the process of hearing. The skin is the body's largest organ, covering an average area of about 20 square feet. It serves as a protective barrier against environmental hazards, such as bacteria and UV radiation. The skin also helps regulate body temperature through the process of sweating and contains sensory receptors that allow us to feel touch, pain, and temperature changes. Additionally, the skin is involved in the production of vitamin D when exposed to sunlight. Deoxyribonucleic acid, DNA, is the molecule that carries the genetic instructions for the development, functioning, growth, and reproduction of all known living organisms. If a human being's DNA were uncoiled, it would stretch 10 billion miles, from Earth to Pluto and back. This incredible length is packed into the nucleus of each cell, where it is tightly coiled and organized into structures called chromosomes. The human circulatory system is a vast network of blood vessels, including arteries, veins, and capillaries, that transport blood throughout the body. If laid end to end, all of the blood vessels in the human body would encircle the Earth 4 times. This extensive network ensures that oxygen and nutrients are delivered to every cell, while waste products are carried away for elimination. The human sense of taste is remarkably fast and efficient. Taste buds on the tongue can detect flavors in just 0.0015 seconds, which is faster than the blink of an eye. There are 5 basic tastes: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami, savory. These tastes help us identify and enjoy different foods, as well as detect potentially harmful substances. The human body is home to trillions of bacteria, many of which are beneficial and play important roles in maintaining health. There are more bacteria in a human mouth than there are people in the world. These bacteria help with digestion, protect against harmful pathogens, and contribute to the immune system. The balance of bacteria in the body is known as the microbiome. The human foot is a complex structure made up of 26 bones, 33 joints, and over 100 muscles, tendons, and ligaments. In an adult human, 25% of their bones are in the feet. This intricate design allows for a wide range of movements, such as walking, running, and jumping, and provides stability and support for the entire body. The human heart pumps blood throughout the body, supplying oxygen and nutrients to tissues and removing carbon dioxide and waste products. It consists of 4 chambers that contract in a coordinated rhythm to ensure continuous blood flow, supporting essential functions and maintaining homeostasis. The human kidneys filter blood to remove waste products and excess substances, including water, to form urine. They regulate electrolyte balance, blood pressure, and red blood cell production through hormone release. By maintaining fluid balance and filtering out toxins, the kidneys play a crucial role in overall homeostasis, ensuring the body's internal environment remains stable and healthy. The liver has numerous vital functions, including detoxifying harmful substances, producing bile to aid in digestion, and metabolizing nutrients from the digestive tract. It also stores vitamins and minerals, regulates blood clotting, and synthesizes proteins essential for blood plasma. The liver plays a crucial role in maintaining metabolic homeostasis and overall health.